You've been making chicken Parmigiana wrong, and you've been putting pasta, even though chicken doesn't belong on pasta. Now I'll show you how to make chicken Parmigiana.
Honey, so what are we doing today?
We are gonna cover the chicken with the parchment paper.
About the chicken.
Pow, 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 pow. All right.
Annie, so what are we doing now?
Grating the Parmigiano.
Oh, so Manny, what are we doing now?
Adding the breadcrumbs.
With the Parmigiano
And
the parsley.
Let's mix it all together. And the flavors of the pecorino is absolutely important.
Wow, good job, Manny.
And
All right, Manny. Okay, so we put the eggs there.
And we mix it.
We mix it slowly so it doesn't get out of the plate.
Let's add the lemon juice. Keep mixing until the lemon takes the eggs to the next level and it covers the smell of the egg.
Fantastic.
It covered the smell of the egg.
One, go.
We get the chicken gently. We put the flour. Now egg.
2, 3, 1, go.
Uh-oh.
Good job.
Sorry, guys. Sorry about that. All right, so we have our oil.
It is like one or 2 teaspoons of oil.
Golden brown. All right, and now we flip the chicken.
Look at that. Okay, Manny, so what are we doing now?
We put the tomatoes, add the water.
Okay, have a cup of water, perfect.
So we get enough sauce that we want.
Oh, yeah.
Now we get a cup of basil, or you can use the fresh basil and break it with your hands. But we can't find it at Walmart, so we're just using the basil from the cup.
That smells so good, Manny. Hey, look at Andy. Hello, Andy. Say hi.
Hi. And guys, this is my dog, Andy.
Andy, he's a good cook too. Hey, Andy. All right.
Wait, guys. My dad's gonna have the mozzarella version instead of ricotta version, and I'm gonna have the ricotta version. So I'm gonna cut the cheese for him. Let's remove that rind. Hey guys, I got the rind. Let's throw it away. Let's put it in the trash. Now let's cut the mozzarella.
Yeah,
Guys, don't forget to stir the sauce. Please.
Wow, Manny, the chicken is golden brown.
Yeah, I know, it's golden brown. And
So now what are you doing?
putting the sauce.
Put it 175 degrees. What kind of cheese is this, Manny?
Ricotta, or you can use burrata, parsley.
All right, Manny. So what do we have now?
We put the
Yep.
and parsley. Oven. The saucepan.
A sauce bed. Fantastic. Got it. You got this. Good.
The sauce. Oh.
It's all right.
This is the ultimate chicken Parmigiana. That's really good.